We're trying to create a kind of beautiful mind for science that can be a polymath across fields, material science, chemistry, and life. But the internet and prior data only take you so far. You have to be capable of testing things in the real world. Lila is building the first of what we call AI science factories, which are an infrastructure through which AI can autonomously propose hypotheses, design experiments, and then run those experiments in the real world with all of the results of the successes and failures flowing into Lila's models, and become super intelligent within them by running the scientific method itself. It won't surprise anybody that building scientific superintelligence requires a lot of computing. Lila is at trillions of tokens of scientific reasoning today. We expect that to go up by no less than 100x over the next few years. AWS is an incredible partner because as the scale and speed and intelligence of science goes up, the scale, speed of computing, and the security of that process is going to be more important than ever. AWS is the best in the world at that combination. What this means for humankind is that building a very broad, new kind of scientific mind and infrastructure that can scalably set that mind in motion to find cures, new energy technologies, new materials, and more, that we can collectively pull a better future into the present.